Good morning, everyone. It's been the longest time since I've picked up the camera and posted a video on YouTube, but I've just been like so busy. I've been trying to like work extra shifts at work so I can finish paying off the car. I am going to finish paying off the car probably like end of this year or towards my birthday, and there's a lot of things that I want to do to it just so I have that extra money to modify it. But life's been good, man. I got back from Hawaii probably like a month ago. I absolutely loved it. If you guys, I should have brought the camera, but I don't know, I just wanted to enjoy Hawaii and I just recorded videos on my phone. But in today's video, we're going to be actually heading down to the Inland Empire with Bryx. He's going to be changing out his headlights and I'm actually pretty excited. And if you guys don't know, Bryx drives the 370z. We still need to do a mod list video of his car, but he's actually pretty excited. So he asked me to come along with them and record a video, and we're going to be taking some photos out there. So if you guys aren't following me already on Instagram, make sure you guys follow me on Bupra_MK5. And then Bryx's Instagram is, I think it's like OK5 or something like that. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. This guy's setup is crazy. The M4 Comp and then the 400Z, the Nismo. So what are we doing here today?
It's just a Z, bro.
But it's a Nismo, look at it.
Yeah, it is, nice, it's so nice.
So what are we doing today?
Getting the custom headlights. Oh, nice. Right here, actually. Oh, that's sick.
That actually looks really nice.
Yeah, to be honest with you, I don't like the strip on the outside. That's kind of like, let's just put a strip on the outside and that's it. This is nice. Actually more involved.
Yeah, I like this. Oh wow.
Yeah. So that's pretty much how it's gonna look.
I didn't think you were actually. I thought you were gonna use these at first.
Well, no, this is how I do it so quickly. Like it's gonna take me a couple hours.
Install.
Right. These are OEM, so I just swap internal. They're still your headlights, but it's just the internal.
Oh, okay. Oh, that's sick.
Now, do you also want me to? Because the chrome part on the turn signal is still gonna show also. Do you want me to black that out too?
Oh, the chrome part on the signal?
Yeah, that part here.
Oh, you could like black that out, yeah.
And then this is also going to be a tester. These are actually, just like the video I showed you.
Sequential? Yeah. Sequential, yeah. That's exactly what I wanted. Because I got the whole theme going on with the sequential, okay, cool. So yeah. It's the last piece, right?
Alright, cool. Alright.
Alright, looks good. I basically had to create a new hole. Yeah, right here is missing. Whole plastic bit.
So we pulled up to the Filipino. If you know, you know. This is the best chicken. What'd you get?
You ready?
Show me, show me, show me. Oh my goodness.
With the gravy?
You have to get the gravy every time.
I'm gonna fuck this up. Oh. Pulls the camera away.
You have to like dip it. But I got like the same thing with this Filipino spaghetti. Are you excited for your... I'll do it after. Alright, take a bite, take a bite.
Oh, about my headlights?
Yeah.
Oh, that's so cute. I forgot they put a little flag.
Yeah, you have to get the spicy.
Yes, sir. I should stab it into me because you know how I am. Oh, so it's... I didn't even fucking do it right.
But yeah, we're gonna eat real quick because Bryx's thing is gonna take like the next...
I think it's like, what, 2.5 hours?
Something like that. We'll go to the mall. Alright. No, not yet.
Oh. Whoa, that's sick.
I want to see what it looks like at night. That's pretty cool.
Oh, yeah, that's awesome. Looks great, man. Thank you.
Thanks.
Do you know turn off once the headlights come on?
What are your thoughts?
Happy. It's great. The only thing is, yeah, I should have definitely gotten lens replacements.
Look at
It
the
is what it
katana
is.
sword. What the heck is
Oh
that?
yeah, this is new. You haven't seen this shit.
What the heck is that?
You like it?
You should put a piece.
I got it as like a gag thing. I thought it was funny.
But yeah, you're happy with it? I think it looks good, honestly.
It looks good. It's just the lenses. I could probably also just get like a lens restoration kit.
Yeah, you
Or
could
have
do that
some.
too. I know
like, someone at
McGuire's has
Autobody.
something like that.
Or I might just pay someone to do it. To be honest.
I don't know. We'll
I don't
see.
have the buffer out and any of that. Oh
What the fuck is that?
look. Shh. Secret.
What is that?
Secret. Secret.
But yeah, we're gonna go take some photos now. Hopefully. Oh, what's your Instagram?
The sticker's kind of fucked up, but it's right there.
Okay, right?
Okay, right? You know, that's what it looks like now?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, but I'm-
Alright, we're gonna go take some photos now. And that concludes today's video. I really like Bryx's sequential headlights, but I want to know what you guys think. Are you happy about it?
Oh, I love them, but the guy's right. I should really get some lens replacements because you can't really notice it too bad, especially like if it's
From
dark
a
in the
from a
shade.
distance, you can't really tell. But like
Get close.
as you own the car, you notice it's each little imperfection. But when you see it now, you can kind of see it, but it still looks really good. I think the camera does it justice.
Let me do the.
He's gonna pop up the sequential lights really quick, or the hazards. Yeah, this is like my favorite part. When I was driving to lead him to the spot, when you make obviously, I mean, when you put your turn signal on, it changes. One's clear, one's yellow. Did you know that?
Yeah. So one stays white.
Yeah, one stays white.
Makes
But
sense.
yeah, we're just gonna end today's video. Make sure you guys follow Mr. OK Rye.
You stupid fuck. You're gonna show them the sticker now, huh? Oh,
I already
stupid
did.
fuck.
So we pulled up to this location, very nice little aesthetic spot. But make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, Boopra_MK5 and Mr. OK Rye. I mean OK Bye on Instagram as well. We might hang out later just to see it at night, depending on how I feel. Bryx is really tired. But any last words for the people?
Skadoosh.